Okay, cool. So I'm just continuing where I left off this morning. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to run nps build preact cjs watch. I think that should work. That'll start the roll up build in watch mode. Oh, npm id roll up watch. Okay. And then that way I can do watch here also. It'll be handy. I'll just do preact. And as this finishes, okay, run that again. Okay, cool. And then it may not be super fast, but it will work. I think what I ran against was here. I do oh no, it was oh no. Yeah, it should be working now. Okay, great. So I just needed, so the reason that I needed to split it up is because I was testing it on the source file, and the source file has React and component here. I wonder if I could just like write a new Babel plugin to make it so I could just include it. Be pretty easy. And that way I wouldn't have to worry about the... Oh, should I do it? Yeah, I kind of want to. I don't want to have to add this test stuff, like post build test garbage. No, it would be fun. That's why I would do it, but I don't have time to have fun. No fun. So we'll just continue on with what we have. Okay, so let's figure out what's going on here. Yeah, we are getting stuff rendered now, which is good. So where'd all the console logs? Oh, haha. We can get rid of that now. And console.log change key. Oh, rats. I put a bunch of console logs in where's this? Yeah. Console. Okay. There we go. That's better. Okay, so the onChange key is being set properly, so that's good. Now figure out, and this will take forever, but at least it works eventually. That's interesting. I'm guessing that the reason the watch mode doesn't work in Jest, or the reason it doesn't run again, is because I'm updating files in the dist directory. Even though I'm importing those, Jest is like, oh, that's get ignored, so I probably don't care. So what do you do? Okay, so anyway, we're gonna do yeah, on input. We expect input to have been called, but it was called with not that. On input. Okay. Oh, it's called with two things. Oh, right, context. Expect any object. Oops. Put that out really quick. Do async matcher is not a function. What? Huh. Okay. Okay, let's just fix this up. That's what it should be. Comment those out. Okay. Console.log input calls mock calls. Yeah, it has an input. So why is this to have been called with object containing on input any function? Okay, expect to API expect object containing to contain equal match object to match object, and we want the first call, first argument. Okay. Okay. What? This is so weird. Why is that giving me so much trouble? Select object containing on input any function and any object. Oh wait, yeah, this is actually passing. Huh. Okay. Input dot fact but to have been called times 1. And we'll say that's kind of funny because the input is forwarding all the props. That input actually has more props. Huh. Very interesting. Okay, well, anyway, we want const first call. First call, first input mock calls. And we'll expect not, well, let's see, not on change to be, or not to be undefined. Yeah, okay, that Okay. So the other thing is, I want to be able to, oh, actually this will work out anyway because I want to get that on input and call it first arg invoked with object, and we'll expect our on change to have been called ×1. Oh, first arg dot on input. Um, oh. What? The compose event handlers here. Default prevented. False. Did I spell it wrong? On input. Get an event. Getting called then. Oh, okay, I don't want to wait for the, well, okay. We'll event here. That'll rebuild. Oh, kind my onChange handler should be called right away. Oh, whoops. I do need to pull off onChange here, onChange and on, because rest is going to get applied right here and it'll. Well, kind of annoying. Yeah, okay, that's correct. Oh, why is that? Oh. So it is literally getting called. My onChange handler, I put it into, oh, huh. That needs to be an object. There we go. Okay. Okay. Cool. So it was called one time. I don't care what it was. Like, I guess I can take event. And we'll expect change to it with take. And we're actually going to make an input to an input. So it'll accept both. Yeah. Seems legit. Okay, cool. So now let's set up the tooling for this. We know that it will work, is worth the time. So we're gonna have a test build. Let's see. Preact. We're gonna have to do some coverage ignoring stuff, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Do a series. So we're gonna do nps build react CJS. The test. Go ahead and do our watch. Actually, not need to worry. Yeah, well, we probably will. Oh, whoops. I wanted to do just a test. Got a question from Blue Raid. Can't I have a question? I'm undecided what lib to use to manage my component CSS if styled components are glamorous. I think use styled components only because I have CSS syntax and I prefer it over object CSS syntax. Do you think the only difference is that or glamorous have more powerful features? So glamorous, I think that it has more powerful features, but I haven't used styled components enough to know, but I'm pretty sure, well, actually I can think of a couple things for sure. So glamorous supports a prop on glamorous components called CSS, and that allows you to add some additional styling on top of what that component already carries with it, and that, you know, of course that would win in the event of a conflict. It also allows you to pass any number of arguments when you're creating a component, which makes it really nice to be able to separate your dynamic from your static styles, and I like that. It also interops with Glamour really nicely, so all of the nice things that you get from Glamour, the utilities and things like that, are available, and you can use those, and it works perfectly well with Glamorous. Yeah, there are more things. I would wonder if maybe your preference to CSS syntax in a string is mostly a familiarity thing, and if you got used to object syntax, maybe that would be just as good for you. That often is the case, is people are just more familiar with one thing. That doesn't mean that it's better, or that you wouldn't like the other more. So I would say give Glamorous a try. But honestly, you can't really go wrong now. Most of the popular CSS and JS libs are really great. So yeah, good luck though. Okay, so as I suspected, we're gonna have LCov or coverage issues. Okay, and let's see what those look like. Oh, it's in utils, yeah, but also in downshift. Yeah, naturally. Preact and preact here. So we'll go into utils, and here we'll say Istanbul ignore if. Here, let's do nps t.watch coverage so we can keep track of coverage changes. So we're going to ignore that. Sure thing, blue raid. And then we'll paste this here, ignore, next. I think Istanbul, ignore. I always have to look up the rules because it's kind of not entirely straightforward. So, ternary. Oh, maybe you can put it inside of the ternary, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, well, that's fine. PD, thanks for the stream. It helped me staying focused. I don't know what you mean by PD, but if you're talking to me, you're welcome. If you're talking to whoever PD is, I don't know who PD is, but I'm sure that they're happy that it helped you. Okay. Yeah, we need to do this also. Wonder if I could make it more explicit what part of this is being ignored. Preact. And okay, that seemed to work all right. So next, get accessibility status. Why? Huh. That accessibility status. That's interesting. What happened here? Try that again, maybe? Those tests just like not run or something? Just run it again. Here we go. On input. Go into here. See what prettier does to this. Yeah, okay, maybe. See if that works. I think things are like really messed up. And really slow. Try that again. Okay, I didn't miss anything else, did I? Oh, excuse me. Actually, you know what I could do is I could test these utilities directly and make this a utility, or make it nah, sure. Why is the set accessibility status thing? Okay, let's just run all the tests now. Weird, because there's an entire test for it. It's almost like it's not being run at all. But it is right there. Set accessibility status. Okay, we're good. Okay, cool. We've got a couple places. Now, we'll actually go ahead and run, yes, preact, or build preact. And then in here, we'll restart this up again. Here, actually, let's wait. pop open the editor just in case. And npm start. And localhost 8080. Yeah, let's change nothing and rerun it again. Great, it works. Yeah, that actually, I'm pretty sure what happened was like my changes or something I did interrupted the test mid-run, and so it didn't run the set accessibility status test, maybe. I don't know, but it's working, so yay. Okay, good. So we've got the let's see. Okay, so we've got this here, and we go caret. Sweet. Nice, we fixed it. Nice. Preact support in the bag. Okay, cool. Let's add this and get checkout. New PR preact. PR preact. Get commit, all the things. Fix preact. Support preact out of the box. You are. This was a bit harder than I thought, but I think it is pretty sweet. Okay, this is dumb. I'm gonna go find develop it. Yeah. Okay. Get that guy and see something. The guy. I'm gonna reference those two in this commit. Say, hey, you're awesome. I'm gonna stand up for a sec. I need to fill up my water bottle. I am pretty much out now. I will put this over on my couch here really quick. There we go. Now I won't forget it because I'll step on it. Oh, ESLint errors. Oh. Okay. Here. Act test. Import extensions. Import no unread. Because at any point in time that file might not actually. Fine, we'll rerun it again. Okay. Here, and actually I should have some docs. Connect display name. I have that disabled. Oh, oops, comma. Okay. Stop this. Commit this anyway. Blah, blah, blah. 2. Testing the preact version is a tiny bit complicated because we need preact. Otherwise, things very well. I bet there's something. Babel plugin import preact. Or preact import. That actually really would make a lot of things easier. It also would mean that I would get all the coverage that I want. Oh, this is what I need. Okay. Oh, I just got a DM. Sorry, 1 second. So I just got a DM from Ives, him telling me about some cool things that he's working on with Code Sandbox. He likes to keep me updated because I just love Code Sandbox. I think it's the coolest thing. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Because I would get a lot of really nice things out of writing a custom Babel plugin. And so not the least of which will be being able to put this in here and having it just work out of the box. So I'm gonna just do this really quick, preact, we'll just stuff new, and instead of importing downshift, we're just gonna do that, okay? So, and we'll just make this just work. We'll do, let's see. Well, actually, shoot, I just realized that might not work. Because I would have to retranspile. And I don't know if that would work. Man, a bummer. Yeah. Like I could do some logic with require statements and stuff. That would work. But I don't want to do that. I don't. Going back. Rename that. Test. Okay. Do. So script to test.preact, which will run the CGS build. Actually, I just realized yeah, okay, so instead of test preact, it's just going to be test build. Make it a little easier. Okay. Actually, this. We have a build and test already. And that'll be build. Cool. Okay. That's better. Okay. Git yay. Run all of our commit hooks before I even author the commit message. Okay. Okay. Oh boy, getting a bunch of DMs all of a sudden. Good thing while I'm waiting for these tests to run. Okay, sweet. Everything passed. Okay, fix, preact. Fix issues with preact support. Was a bit harder than I thought, but I think and CC and git push. All right, sweet. Okay, so let's go here. Here. Closes number 132. Let fix issues with preact support. Why is number 132? Do you want with preact that somehow test that with F make make things compatible, fail, test make locally and work. Ta-da. Okay, docs, no changes. Yes, yes, ready to be merged. And okay. Okay. Guess I don't need this anymore technically. No reason to remove it. And suppose this could be refactored slightly, maybe. I don't know. It's fine. Holy, oh, got like 100 stars in a day. Wonder if we're trending. Stuff. Down. Bridges. Yeah, sweet. 100 stars in a day. Cool. My guess is I tweeted a little bit about downshift yesterday, and Dan Abramoff retweeted. So that could be it. Hold on a second. Is this fellow working at Atlassian now? Oh no, he just committed to it. I still don't think no. Cool. Wait, he dropped off. I wonder what he's up to. Oh, okay. Cool. Well, I'm done with this thing. I'm gonna ref down shift preact up, and I'll just this and close that, and I got a side question from the parent. Is CSS and JS a requirement to work with React nowadays? It feels so wrong. Scan the web, discussion about this topic, and use plain old Bootstrap styles. No, it's totally cool to, and lots of people still use just regular CSS with React. I don't know. I would actually say that probably most people using React are not using CSS and JS. I might be wrong there, but there are a lot of people using CSS and JS, but I think there's still a lot of holdouts and people who don't even know, and old apps that were kind of around before CSS and JS kind of took off. So yeah, I don't think you're like a weirdo if you're not using CSS and JS, but you're missing out on some stuff. So sorry, one second. Okay. Cool. Good news. I figured out how to make my live streams export to YouTube again. That functionality broke, and so I reconnected YouTube and everything's working again, which is great because for the last like 10 videos I've had to download it and upload it. And okay, come on, Travis, where'd you go? Let's see what else. I think that was it for downshift as far as live streaming goes. Because I do need to get it working in my app at work. Make sure we can ship that soon so that I can publish this preact or downshift version 1.0. Looks like we're good. that, and now we'll get checkout master and get pull and vim the package JSON. This is not normally my release process, by the way. Normally it is auto. Whoops. But while I'm doing release candidates, this is it. So we'll do npm publish and get push. Oh, wait. No. npm run release and get push. Hope I didn't bust something. Okay, publishing. B10. Okay. Do this here also. Okay. Neat. Okay, I think I'm probably gonna have to be done live streaming. I gotta get back to my app. So wish me luck on that, and good luck to you all on your endeavors. And maybe I'll find an excuse to live stream a little bit later today, but probably not. So with that, have a good weekend, and I'll see you all later. Bye.